Hello, and welcome to Marketing Made Easy with Inbox 25 version 4.0. Lead scoring is an automated process designed to assign a numeric value and ranking for every lead. The calculated score is used to determine a lead's qualification in the sales cycle and level of engagement they should receive. Some common terms you'll hear when discussing lead scoring are implicit scores or explicit scores. Explicit are typically data fields or profile information about a lead, while implicit is typically behavior that we track. Inbox 25 offers lead scoring through our new tool called Scoreboard. Scoreboard is our lead scoring engine and is comprised of individual scoring profiles that we call scorecards. Much like our automated campaign, we give you a lot of flexibility on creating your scorecards. You can pull custom fields from your CRM too, including landing page activity, website activity, social activity, data fields from your CRM, campaign activity, contact tags, geographical data, previous support cases, meetings and calls, opportunities, contracts, quotes, as well as scheduled tasks. Some of the highlights of our new lead scoreboard include the ability to build unlimited scoring profiles. You can assign negative values and max point thresholds. Scorecards have the ability to sync up with your sales funnel and sales lifecycle stages. You can deprecate scores after a period of inactivity. You can score site visits based on priority and regular pages. You can get a cumulative company score for all related contacts, and you can score your CRM data. To begin creating your first Inbox 25 scorecard, scroll over the Scoreboard tab on our dashboard and click the sub-tab that says Create Scorecard. This is our scorecard manager. Here you can create and customize an endless number of scorecards that add or subtract point values based on target interaction. The first step is to name your new scorecard. Now hit the Add a New Rule button and you'll see a white box with a red heading appear underneath. On the left of the box there's a drop-down labeled Condition. This is where you add your conditions for a particular rule. Similar to our auto campaign builder, each condition has its own set of operators at your disposal. When you select your condition from the drop-down that you'd like to score, name it and hit Save This Rule. Now hit the Add a Condition button and let's start choosing exactly what and how you want to score. For this particular rule, I want to give points to my targets who frequently visit my website. The first step is to select one of the domains you've linked to your Inbox 25 site monitor. Next, select the type of activity you want to score. For this example, I'm going to award a point value to users whose total number of visits is greater than 7. Once I've selected what exactly I want to score, it's now time to select how I want to score this action. Enter a point value and max points value for your rule. Max points allows you to put a cap on certain scoring actions that may be duplicated by your targets, such as email opens and click-throughs. Once you've assigned your point value, hit Save This Rule and we'll continue building your scorecard. Now let's see how you can add multiple rules to any scorecard. The first step is to hit the Add a New Rule button. I want to assign a point value to my targets that engage socially with any of my Inbox 25 campaigns. Select the social activity condition, name your rule, and hit Save. Click the Add a Condition button and access the drop-down labeled Select a Campaign. Here, you can see that all of your Inbox 25 campaigns are available to choose from. You can select an individual campaign that will score a target's social media interaction for that campaign specifically. Or, you can choose to score activity with any of your campaigns. For this example, I'm going to select any campaign that a target liked on Facebook. Assign your point value and max points value, and we'll move on. You can choose to make any rule required to qualify for one of your sales stages in your lifecycle funnel. Simply click the checkbox and then select which of your stages you'd like this rule to be a prerequisite for. All rules on scorecards have the ability to have more than one condition, though the score will always be shared. Click the Add a Condition button and we'll add our second condition for this rule. In addition to Facebook likes, I want to score any target who mentions any of my campaigns on Twitter. Once again, I'm going to select any campaign, and this time I'm going to choose Mentioned on Twitter as my operator. These two conditions are now tied to the same rule and share a unique score. Now, I'm going to hit Save This Rule, and my new scorecard is complete. Once you're finished creating and customizing your scorecard, you'll first need to activate it in order for it to work. Simply click the green circle with the play button in the middle, and your scorecard will now be activated. In addition, each rule you created within your scorecard also has to be activated. Next to each rule, there are 3 gray icons: a pencil, a garbage can, and a play button. Hit the play button on every rule that you'd like to activate. Also note that not all rules contained in a scorecard need to be activated in order for a scorecard to function. The same is not true, however, for the inverse. If a scorecard is paused, everything is paused. Remember, you can always go back and edit your scorecards and rules by clicking the pencil icon. On the other hand, the garbage can icon has the ability to delete rules or your scorecard altogether. Thanks for taking the time to watch Inbox 25's new scorecard tutorial video. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon.